Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to start a sourdough starter from simple ingredients that you probably already have. If not, it's really easy to get them. All you need is sugar, yeast, water, mashed potato flakes. That's it. To start the starter, okay, I have warm water. Okay, it does not need to be steaming hot. If it is super hot, it will kill your yeast. Okay, always have above lukewarm, but not hot enough to hurt yourself. Okay, I have a half cup of water. Okay, the recipe calls for 3 packages of yeast. Okay, I buy the yeast in the jars because it's a lot less expensive. It tells you on the package how to transfer the dry yeast in here to make the yeast packet. Okay, 2 1/4 teaspoons of this yeast is 1 envelope of dry yeast. So all you do is take out 6 3/4 teaspoons and you've got your 3 packets of yeast, okay? Okay. We're going to mix that together until it's mixed up pretty good. And yeah, I know there's a little bit up on the jar, but it's okay. We have other ingredients. We just want to make sure we don't have any clumps in there. So, it's mixed up. Okay. Now, we have more water. Folks, don't worry about trying to get the recipe. I will put it in the description box. Okay. We have sugar. And then we have our instant potato flakes. Does not matter what brand you use, folks, whatever you have on hand. But it has to be the instant potato flakes. Okay. And yes, I opened the box a little strangely. That way I can get my spoon in there, my measuring spoon, and get them out. Okay. So we're just going to stir all that up. Get everything off of the sides. Just make sure there's no clumps. And folks, we have our starter started. Okay. I'm going to cover it loosely. I'm using a paper towel. That way it can still breathe. And I'm going to let it set on my counter at room temperature for a day. So this time tomorrow, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. Then we'll feed it in a few days. And I'll show you what I'm talking about by feeding it. We feed it potato flakes, water, and sugar. And then it's going to work. And I'll show you exactly what that looks like. It's going to actually start bubbling and you'll be able to see everything in there going up and down for a good starter. But this is in steps. But we've got the first step going. And within a few days, guys, we're going to have some fantastic homemade sourdough bread. Thanks for watching, and I'll show you how to feed this bread starter soon.